Our channel. In this video, we'll be talking about law program of BPP University. Bharati Vidyapit has two colleges where they're providing law. One is BPP University, New Law College, Pune, and Department of Law, New Delhi. So both are inviting applications, so you can apply to this course, and you can opt for Law Entrance Test 2020 for the academic session 2020 and 21. The college in New Law College Pune is having BBLLB 180 seats and BLLB 120 seats, and for LLB it is having 180 seats, and BPP University New Delhi is having BBLLB 120 seats and LLB 60 seats. It doesn't have BLLB program. So this is the seats I told you. And please note that 15% seats is reserved for foreign and NRI and management category, and 85% seats would be based on the industries that based on, and 85% seats would be filled based on the performance in Law Entrance Test 2020. Now talking about the eligibility for BBA and BLLB 5 years integrated program. Candidate should have 50% marks for 45% marks for SC and ST candidates in class 12. For LLB programs 3 years, candidate should have minimum 45% marks and 40% for SC/ST student in graduation for appearing in LLB entrance test. Now talking about the fees of these colleges. For Pune, BBLLB and BLLB having 78,750 for regular merit category and 1,57,500 for management and institutional merit category. And for LLB, roughly the fees would be around 35,000 to 45,000. Fees would be prescribed by the government of Maharashtra from time to time. So based on that, the fee would be decided. For New Delhi, the BBA fees is 2,62,000 per annum, and for management quota it is 3,67,500. For LLB it is 1,57,500 per annum, and for regular merit and for management category it is 2,62,500 per annum. So this is the fee structure. Talking about the MBA, students who are looking to take admissions in MBA in BPP University. So they are inviting applications, so you can apply for BPP, and you need to opt for BMAT exams. So Bharati Vidyapit is having their own entrance test, so you need to appear for examinations, and based on that performance in these examinations you can take admissions. Now what are the colleges available and how many seats are available? For Pune, the MBA seats is 180, and for MBHR they have 60 seats. For New Delhi campus, they have 180 seats. For Kolhapur, 60 seats. For Sangli, 60. For Karar, 120. And for Solarpur, it is having 60 seats. Again, 85% seats would be filled based on the merit or based on the merit in the performance of BMAT examinations, and 50% seats would be reserved for foreign NRI, PIO, OCI and management merit category. As the eligibility is concerned, a graduate with bachelor or master degree from any discipline who have passed with minimum 50% marks in aggregate and 45% in case of SC/ST candidates from any recognized university, or the candidate in the final year of their degree program, be it bachelor or master, are also eligible to apply. The admission of the student will remain provisional until the other necessary certificate in original are submitted to the institutions. The candidate should be an Indian national to take part in BMAT examinations. The nature of the test BMAT 2020 is like this. Number of questions and marks is that each of the questions will be having 1 marks each. So session 1 will be having numeric ability, 50 questions for 50 marks. Session 2 will be having logical reasoning, 50 questions for 50 marks. And session 3 will be having English and comprehension, 50 questions, 50 marks. And session 4, now nature of the test BMAT 2020 would be like this. Section 1, there are 4 sections available. Section 1, numeric ability, 50 questions for 50 marks. Logical reasoning, 50 questions, 50 marks. English and comprehension, 50 questions for 50 marks. And section 4 is management skills, 50 questions, 50 marks. So total 200 questions and 200 marks examinations you'll be having 3 hours time. As far as the fees is concerned, please note this. The fees for New Delhi campus is 3,25,000 per annum. So it is 2-year program. So the fees would be 6,50,000 for regular merit. For management category, it is 4,25,000. For Pune, it is 2,25,000 for regular merit and 2,75,000 for management quota program. For foreign national, the fees is $9,500 and for Delhi and $8,100 for Pune campus. For Sangli, Kolhapur and Karan-Solar, the fees is very nominal. The fees is for regular merit, the fees is 66,000 per annum, and for management category it is 90,000 per annum. Today, if you have any questions, queries, you can definitely get in touch with us on the given number, or you can write in the comment section. Students who are looking to have confirmed admissions in BVP, they can call on this number. We will guide you through. There are a number of processes available for that. You can call us and let us know. If you are interested, then we can get your admission in BVP in any of the courses that you look for. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself and your family. I'll see you in our next video. Thank you.